Hey everyone, welcome back to the Chopper Fed channel. My name is Brett, and we make the motorcycle videos and the motorcycle vlogs here on the YouTube. Today, I got a very special treat for you. We got a package of Indy Ridge motorcycle gloves. Let's go and roll that intro and we'll get to it. Roll it. All right, so inside your nice little burlap sack, which nice place to store your motorcycle gloves, really. We have a little card from Indy Ridge. And basically what's nice about this card, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little treat. It says, congratulations, you've inadvertently stumbled upon the only motorcycle glove company in the world that offers a concierge service. What does that concierge service get you? It gets you the CEO's phone number. I don't know any other CEO that's that to the forefront of their company to give feedback. I know Matt at Ruroc is actually really good as well, but you know, this guy's putting his phone number on the card. Don't see any other company doing that, do you? Me neither. So definitely something to keep with you in case you need to look into something. On the back of your bag, it says that your Indy Ridge products are backed by the Live Free Guarantee. So what that basically means is if you don't like these gloves, contact the guy. Let him know what you don't like about them, or if you feel like there's something that can be improved upon. They make stuff in small batches, which is one of the things I really like about this company. So like this glove here that I'm holding in my hand, they didn't make a ton of them. They've made a ton of them over time, but they make things in small batches and they continue to improve the process, whether it be a stitching or a liner or things of that nature. So that being said, let's go ahead and see what these guys look like. So between this here, me talking to you, and some B-roll, go and put these up here to the camera. So these are their denim and brown leather motorcycle gloves. These are going to be ideal kind of for your early spring and early fall weather. We'll have a video after this little talk session here with me actually riding with them for the first time. And I have ridden with them even more since, and they might be my favorite gloves ever. And I'm going to do some boot reviews in probably a couple weeks, and guess what? Best boots I've ever worn in my life too. I'm not just saying that because I'm trying to sell you on a product. That's not my purpose here. My purpose is to inform you of a company that I believe in. And I'm not sure if that video's come out where I talk about my brand loyalty as far as companies I really do trust. This is one of them. So as you can see, we have perforated leather on like the hand, like wrist area there. And then over that is the denim. And then on the back side is full leather as well. Now what I really like about these is they do have two touch screens, fingertips there, and then one more actually in the thumb, so you got three total. There have been some reviews out there as far as this not working, but for me, I have a iPhone XS with a glass protector on there. Didn't have a single issue with it. Again, I'm not sure if it's shown in the video or not. I've kind of forgotten what's all in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut to that video because it's kind of lengthy as well as I'm trying them out for the first try. And let me know what you guys think. You can order them from Amazon. I literally got these here within a couple days. But yeah, definitely go check them out, and we'll go from there. Test ride with the Indy Ridge denim and brown leather gloves. Very first test ride on these guys, but they feel pretty good. Whew, yeah. Reason I haven't really gone anywhere yet is I think we should test touchscreen. Hey, mine seem to be working pretty good. I've heard complaints of these not working too well on touchscreens, so I want to give that a little test. Blah, 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 blah. Do I look sexy? She thinks my goggles sexy.
She thinks my tractor sexy.
Alright, here we go, here we go. Well, I gotta say this much. If I was in my mesh gloves right now, my hands would be mighty frigid already. It's about 55 degrees or so today, and it's coming through the flannel pretty good, the chill is, but the gloves are in really good shape for me. I don't feel anything against my hand. But no, I really have been looking for a pair of gloves that can fit in between my mesh and those big heavy gauntlets that I have. The reason I don't care for the gauntlets all that much is because I don't have very good control when I have that thick of a glove on. My throttle is always not going back to the way it should. It's not able to get my clutch fingers because they get stuck in between the lever and the bars and lots of different things. So yeah, I really do like the initial of them. I ordered a extra large of these guys because the size chart for my hand on the width side did say to order the large, but I had the fortunate experience of being able to try Dad's on in a large, and I knew that just wasn't going to work. Across the hand where you measure is fine, but my fingers are a little bit longer than Dad's were, so the size up actually works pretty well for me. I feel like their size chart is pretty spot on. I could wear those large gloves, but they would be very, very tight, and I want something that's tight, but, you know, still loose.
What did you say, punk?
I want something that's tight, but, you know, still loose. And that's why I feel like these have at least kind of are right now. I know they'll break in even more here in the near future. Not a lot of people know about this company yet, but their quality is just outstanding. These gloves and this company has a lot going for that. I'm not just saying that to be a fanboy. I really believe that this company can go toe-to-toe with some of those other brands like Odin and some of the others. Sorry, I can't think of any off the top of my head. I've never really done a glove comparison before. But what I'll go ahead and do here, because it's kind of hard to really talk about gloves the entire time. I've got about an hour ride ahead of me here today. I'll cut back at the end of that ride and let you know my final thoughts on at least the initial test ride, and we'll go from there. Alright, y'all, we've been riding for about 30 minutes now on these Indian Ridge gloves, and I have my pseudo conclusion on them. My conclusion is they're breaking in. They are, like I said, they were a little tight and stiff from the get-go, but they're really starting to kind of form around the grips, and it's becoming much, much better. I'm really starting to feel the comfort of this brand. Not once have my hands started to ache or hurt. It's really been a very pleasant ride as they break in. And I will go ahead and I will do another review on these. Maybe not a full episode, but just like a quick update response video to this one. After about 1,000 miles of riding, which for me will probably be, you know, a little less than a month probably. And that way I can see if they are holding up. As far as the stitching and everything goes on these things, I don't feel like that's going to be a problem. From when I inspected it, and then I've had my mom inspect them. Yeah, I let my mom look at stuff too. But when I've had my mom look at them, she's even attested to how well stitched the gloves are. So with that being said though, I will go ahead and leave that here. Post your comments below if you guys have these gloves already. What do you like about them, or is there anything that you don't like about them? Because again, this company is open to feedback. If there's something that I don't like about it, I'm going to let people know, especially the CEO, because I want him to make the best product in the world. It's not every day that you come across a company who wants to improve so much. I think you guys can tell by the way I have been trying to kind of grow my channel at the same time. Again, you can say it's commercial, you can say whatever, but I'm trying to surround myself with businesses that care about the consumer. I'm not saying any other company is bad compared to another one. I'm just saying that a company that's kind of on its Kickstarter program legs, not necessarily any funding or anything, but a company that is in its young days, you know, they listen and they want the feedback because they want to be the Shoeis, the Odins, the Simpsons, the Arise. They want to be those companies, the Alpine Stars, another brand. So with that being said, I'm going to fight this wind the rest of the way back, and I will catch you on the next dark side, as this is the way. Chop, see you on the next one. Woo-wee!